Getting out of credit card debt quickly requires a focused and strategic approach. Start by evaluating your total credit card debt, including interest rates and minimum payments. Create a detailed budget that prioritizes essential expenses and identifies areas to cut back, allowing you to allocate more funds toward debt repayment. Consider consolidating your debts through a balance transfer credit card or a personal loan with a lower interest rate. This can simplify payments and reduce interest costs. Focus on making larger payments toward the credit card with the highest interest rate while maintaining minimum payments on others. In addition to budgeting, look for ways to increase your income. This might include taking on a side job, freelancing, or selling unused items. Every additional dollar earned can go directly toward your debt. Stay disciplined and avoid accumulating new debt while you work on repayment. Consider utilizing a debt repayment strategy, such as the snowball method, where you pay off smaller debts first for motivation, or the avalanche method, focusing on high-interest debts to save money. Finally, seek support from financial advisors or credit counseling services if needed. They can provide tailored strategies and resources to help you navigate your path to becoming debt-free. Remember that commitment and perseverance are key in your journey to eliminate credit card debt swiftly.